Welcome to Design Tips and Tricks, presented by Cactus Mailing. I'm Tiffany, a graphic designer at Cactus Mailing, and today I'll be showing you a general overview of all mailing requirements. This tutorial is about setting up your postcard to meet all of our printing and mailing requirements. The size that I will be demonstrating this on will be a 5.5, 8.5 card. First, always ensure your document has bleeds. Go up to File, Document Setup. In here, the width will be 8.5, height will be 5.5, and your bleed will be 0.125 on all sides. And hit OK. The address area must be 4.125 inches wide by 2.25 inches high. The address block must go all the way to the bottom edges and the right edges. All text must be out of this area, and the background color must be white. So you can have background color everywhere else on your document. This just has to be white. So if your text is into this area, it just needs to be moved. Ensure that your indicia area is free and clear of all text and images as well. We need 0.125 inches squared, free and clear in this upper right hand corner for us to put the postmark. Ensure that all your colors and images are CMYK. If you go to your swatches palette, you'll see that the CMYK is shown here with the percentages. So if your color was showing RGB, you're going to want to change that to CMYK. And the reason for this is the printers print everything in CMYK, and if you design it in RGB, the colors could shift. Ensure that all your images are 300 dpi and they're at RGB or a CMYK as well. How you can do this is click on your link, go to this pencil tool which is Edit Original, and if your computer is set up to open it in Photoshop, it will open up in Photoshop. If not, go to the original link and open it up in Photoshop. In here, you'll go to Image Mode, ensure that it says CMYK, and also go to Image Size and ensure that the resolution is 300. If it is not, uncheck everything and change the resolution to 300, and the width and height will shift because it will be linked. Another good rule of thumb is to have the image larger, if not twice the size of the actual size that you will be putting onto your postcard. So in this instance, the width and height that I have is 4.125 and the height is 5.75. So my image is 12.89 by 8.59. So that image is much larger. Another way to check the quality is to zoom in Photoshop at 100% and just look around at the images. Some of them will be blurry because the men were in motion. But you can look right here and see that the quality of the image is good. You can also check your quality in your Adobe PDF once you create it. You can zoom in to about 300%. and you'll be able to see the quality of it as well. Ensure that all your text is a 1/4 inch away from the edges. You can set up margins in InDesign by going to Layout and Margins. In here, you're going to want it to be at least 0.125 inches. If you want it larger, you can do that. And then they'll set up this pink line. So this is your safety line. This will be the trim line, and this is the bleed line. So you want all your images going all the way to the edges, and all your color bleeding to the edges as well. You'll see that this is a good way to keep all your text within that margin. The reason we keep it a 1/4 inch away is that when the postcards are trimmed down, we don't want the text to be cut on, so this keeps the text far enough away to not be cut on. We'll pull up a couple templates. These are QR code templates The post office requires us to have the QR code out of certain areas. It can't be in the upper top 2 inches on this side of the card, and it can't be in the address area. And then it cannot be in the bottom 6/8 of the card. So for a 4x6 card, this is all that we can put the QR code in. But on the front side of it, because this is not the mailing side, you can put it anywhere. 5.5, 8.5 card, on the front side you can put it anywhere. On the back side you have a little bit more leeway, a little bit more room. If you need these templates, just give us a call and we can definitely get them to you. And make sure that you get that correct. That concludes this design tip and trick video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you would like more information on the services we offer, please visit our website or give us a call.